What's good, YouTube? Keys Wavy, and I'm back with another video. So, as always, like I tell you on all my videos, make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at key.sowavy. But we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna jump into this video. Now, for my channel, this is my first time doing this kind of video, and actually what made me do it was somebody actually DM'd me on Instagram and asked me did I know how to do this lacing and if I can make a video about it. So I looked at the picture, and then based off the picture, I just went and did it, because it's not the first time that I've seen this, and I do know how to do it. And as y'all probably already read by the title, I'm gonna show y'all how to take your Yeezys from being laced something like this to this kind of Kaws style. You feel me? Now, for those that's new to my channel, I do actually have Kaws artwork on my body. I do have a sleeve, and on this part of my sleeve, I do have 3 Kaws symbols. The one covering the eyes, mouth, and the ears, which means hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. So I do actually have that. So this is actually gonna be a cool video to do. So yeah, let's get into the video. I'm gonna set up the lights and the camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to turn this into this. Alright, now y'all, so like I said, this is the lacing style that I am going to show y'all how to do. It is the Kaws lacing style. Y'all can see by the eyes right there and the ears. So first off, let me get the other shoe and let me start running through the steps. So obviously this is the other shoe. This is how I normally used to wear my Yeezys in the first place. But first off, first thing you need to do, well, for me, I put my paper back on the inside. That way it makes the shoe a little stiffer when you putting the lace in and make it a lot easier. Mama save y'all time watching me take these laces out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, and then I'll see y'all when I'm done. Alright, y'all see I got the shoe right here. Laces all taken out. So first step you're gonna do is take the laces and go through these 2 holes right here, the 2 inside holes at the bottom. Y'all gonna go through those through the inside of the shoe. Go through the inside of the shoe, and basically after this you just gotta make sure it's even, and then we can go ahead and move on to the next step. So y'all go through there like that, and then you gonna end up with something like this. Like mine are not even, but the good thing about the Yeezys, when you lacing them, they move like very easily. So now, just like that, my laces are even, and let's get to the next step. Honestly, after that, it gets pretty easy as far as the eyes go, because you're going to do exactly what you think you would. You're just going to cross over right here. Y'all see that lace hole right there? Cross over, leave this one open, and then come back through the inside, through this hole right here. Y'all see there's only 2 holes left as far as the eyes go. Come back through this hole right here, pull it all the way through, and then make sure you go back through this one right here. Now, what I did on my other ones that I might change on these is I actually made the eyes like pretty loose, and on this one I'm gonna see if I can keep it a little tighter like that. Y'all see how that one's snug? And then you just mimic the same thing on the other side. You just go ahead, go across, pull it through the shoe, come back through the inside, put it through that one, and then you coming right back through here, through the bottom, and there you go. You got the Kaws eyes right there. Let's go ahead and move on to the next step. And now if you're following along, you should have something similar to this. You got your laces coming out through here, and then basically the next thing you're gonna do is similar to what you did with the eyes, except for you're gonna bring each side through this nearest bottom hole. So the inside bottom hole that you have left, go ahead, put it through there like that. Do the same thing on the other side. It's really just a mimic process. Whatever you do on one side, you can do on the other side, and then you literally just come across just like that. As y'all know, Kaws like whole theme is like the whole crossing the eyes and everything else. So then you should end up with something like this, and then let's get into the next thing. Now this will be the last step, as always, like you did through this whole tutorial. Whatever you do on one side, you're gonna do on the other. So I'm just going ahead and do this side for y'all. You're gonna go ahead. You see you got 2 lace holes left. Then you come through right here, come through this bottom one from the outside, and then you see you got that kind of ear. These are the ears. Then you come back through right here, and you see it looks kind of weird. And literally all you're gonna do is take it, and you're gonna wrap it around, just like it's like a coil. That's all you're gonna do. You're gonna take it, you're gonna wrap it around like that, and clearly you don't have any more spaces to put any more lace. So what I do is I put this one right there, and I just kind of tuck it right there, and then you see you got the ear, and then you're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Take it, put it through the outside hole right here, come back through on the inside, and then you literally just gonna wrap it and then tuck the lace. and that's all you do. So it's very important that you have your laces even. Like when you first start off, have your laces even, or you will like have more lace on one side than you have on the other, like I just did for some reason, and I'm telling y'all to do it. But look, that's basically it for this tutorial. Y'all can go ahead and see it. I'll put some on-foot shots for y'all at the end. But basically, this is the Kaws lacing style. Let me go ahead and grab the other shoe. This is the Kaws lacing style versus however you was lacing it before. I do think this is a real dope way to lace them. I have multiple ways that I do lace my Yeezys. So that's going to be it for this tutorial. Like I said, I'm going to put some on-foot shots at the end for y'all. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all make sure y'all tune in. Keep watching all the videos. Hit me up on Instagram. Comment below if y'all want me to do more lacing tutorials on different shoes. That's it. That's all. Let's get to the on-foot part. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Who is Big Wavy? It's funny that you asked that. I mean, Big Wavy is me. Jay White is more like the college kid that's been in situations with females, and he expresses that through his music. But Big Wavy, I mean, like, what can you say for the guy, man? If nobody knows, I mean, everybody should know. Big Wavy, just a big swag nigga. He fly. Cruising to the city with your bitch, you better not get mad, nigga. Get mad. Like a trash bag, better get glad I have a shit bag, nigga. Got time for these imposters, let me check my pen pal, nigga. Nope, these bitches be running, can't hear how